What is that, a circle? Let's see, let's find the circle. Okay, here, Rourke. Is that a circle? Good job. What else are you grabbing up? Hold on, let Mommy turn it. Okay, no, I don't think it goes in that one. Okay, here. Well, fine, here. Mommy's sorry, Mommy's slow because she's trying to videotape. Here. Okay, goes in that one. Good job. What is that? Is that a square? Let's see, where's the square? Look, here it is. Here it is, Rourke, right here. You can put it in sideways. Put it in right. Uh-oh. Struggling. Turn it. You need Mommy to help you with that one. You usually get that one. Can you do something different? Here. No, she was doing all the shapes. But of course, as soon as I pull out a camera, she's going to do what she wants. Anyways, bye ladies.